between their personal account versus the enterprise account. So as Lee and I know, we have level 42, but I think that's something for other people to think about and understand that, you need to make sure that you control what people can and can't use in your organization. So that ties back to the AI policy again. So the action here for everybody, professional services, resolve the ambiguity with your clients now, have the conversation before they mandate it, and firms that lead the AI governance conversation will win the trust and the work. Next one. Shadow AI, the governance gap that costs you everything. So this is really the biggest risk, and I'm going to spend the most time on this. So 73% of ChatGPT accounts are personal, not enterprise. That should be a concern for people because, again, how do you control your corporate information, your flow of intellectual capital? And every time you're talking to an AI tool, if it's a personal tool, it means it's learning and it could be exposed in the public versus the private models. So you really need to think about this. And 67% of employees are using AI tools at work. 18% of the organizations have a formal policy. So there's a big gap between policy and usage. And then 20% of the orgs that monitor shadow AI, it's really hardly anybody is really looking to see who's keeping the hens out of or who's keeping the rooster out of the hen house or whatever. I don't know the right phrase. I'm messing that up. But we've got on the right here five-step shadow AI checklist. So the audit, the policy, the enterprise accounts, the agent governance, and training.